today about companies like Deloitte's abandoning annual appraisals and performance reviews. And lots of HR teams are finding, and you may be finding, that their managers are coming to them and saying, why do we still have to do appraisals? Can't we stop performance reviews? But the critical thing is, those organisations are still managing performance. They know that if you want to be a high-performing organisation, you have to manage performance. So what we see has changed is that organisations are finally beginning to recognise, as 3C's been advocating for the last decade, that you have to manage performance all year round and not just in an annual performance cycle. And these new ideas are coming together in a concept called Continuous Performance Management, or CPM. And continuous performance management does what it says on the tin. It's about getting managers to think about performance regularly through the year and absolutely crucially have effective feedback and coaching conversations with their people all year round. Now, lots of your managers might turn around and say, but I do that already. I'm always having one-to-ones with my team. But what we've seen, and I'm sure you've experienced, is that those one-to-ones aren't really about performance. They're about the work in hand, about the tasks that are going on. So for example, I might go into my manager and my manager says to me, how's it going? And I say, fine. My manager says, have you got any problems? And I say, yes, can't get an answer from IT. And my manager says, that's fine. I know somebody, I'll call them. What's the impact on the project plan? Is that going to delay us? And before we know where we are, we're back talking about the tasks and the work in hand. Whereas instead, if we were trying to have a feedback and coaching conversation, my manager might have said to me, what have you tried so far? What else could you try? What's the implication of that problem? What are you going to do about it? Or even if I've had a very good week, my manager might turn around and say, what have you learned from that? Is there something you could share with everyone else? And managers that understand managing performance, that have those regular and effective feedback and coaching conversations, aren't having to solve the same problems over and over again. So HR teams are responding to this change, and you might want to do this too, by rethinking different aspects of their performance management programme. So what HR teams need to do is to ensure that managers have got both the skills and the motivation to have these regular conversations, because what we see is that managers don't understand the difference between a performance conversation, that feedback and coaching conversation, and their normal one-to-one about the work, and that even when they do understand the difference, they don't really see why they should do it, because in the short term they don't see what difference it makes. There are two things that really need to happen. First, people need to have the skills so that they can understand the difference between those conversations about performance and those that are really about managing the task in hand. And secondly, they need the motivation so that they understand the pain that comes from not doing it, as well as see a great gain from getting those performance conversations to happen on a regular basis. So we've developed a programme for managers called Carry On Appraising, and it's an immersive story. It uses characters and videos to help managers explore, in the space of a day, what happens over a whole year of managing performance. And it takes them through both the emotional gain of what they get if they do manage that performance regularly, and the emotional pain of what happens if they don't. And that gives them the motivation to really want to do those conversations. So what we see is that organisations whose managers have participated in a Carry-On Appraising programme, they are much more likely to go out and have the regular, effective feedback and coaching conversations that you want them to have.